Hi everyone, welcome back to Rachita's Essence. So today I am sharing my most favorite thing to make, a miniature version of a rose using a duplex paper. This is a duplex paper and it is available at stationery shops and it is used in flower making. So here I have drawn a stencil of a petal on a thick sheet and I will cut it so that I can trace it on the duplex paper. And I have taken a red colored duplex paper because I am making a red rose. So here I have cut out the stencil, you can see. Now I will place this on the duplex paper and I will trace it here, and I will make at least 10 petals using this stencil. So this is how I will trace a few more petals, you can see. And now I will cut these one by one. So this is something that I love making, and I learned this when I was in 8th class in my art class. I love art and craft, and this is my most favorite thing to make. So you can see my petals are ready. So now to start making the flower, I have taken a stick from a tree. As you can see, I have covered the top like this to make it look natural. Now I will take a petal, and you can see when I will push this like this, the vertical lines, it gets stretched out, and I will roll out the petals on the outside like this. This helps in giving it a natural look. Here I have pasted my first petal around the bud. So I will continue pasting other petals using Fevicol one by one. You have to be a little patient while pasting the petals so that they can stick properly to the stick and they don't fall out. So I will hold it for a while and I will keep pasting other petals like this. This is so satisfying to make, pushing the duplex paper like this, and it starts looking like a real petal. I love making this because, real flowers get dried up and you cannot keep them forever. But if you gift someone a handmade flower or a handmade rose like this, it feels so special, and you also feel happy gifting someone handmade with so much love. So here you can see it is almost complete and it looks so beautiful. Now I will take a green tape like this to cover the stem. This is also available at stationery shops. I will start pasting it from the top with the help of a Fevicol. I will just keep wrapping it around the stem till the bottom. This gives me so much joy when I make these flowers for someone, and I also used to make these flowers myself when I was in school and give it to the teachers on Teachers' Day, and they used to be so happy. You can see this is complete, and in the similar way I will make some leaves with the help of this tape, and I will stick it on the stem. If you like this video, let me know if you would like to try making this flower yourself, for someone or for yourself. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching.